Alright, we're gonna see what the snow situation is like outside. Ooh. Hello. It's loud out there. I guess there's like a snowplow or something. Oh yeah. Oh, at least the sidewalk looks like it's been a little bit skipped. Oh, there's a snowplow. Ooh, cool. I like that. Pretty neat. Woohoo! Yeah! Go plow, go! Hello, Mr. Snowplow. Woohoo! Wow! It's a winter wonderland. Ooh. Gotta try not to slip and fall on that ice. Oh. Ooh, thank you so much. Ooh. Oh, what a beautiful day. For a snow bunny like me. Oh, I think we're gonna have a rumble. Wanna have a snowball fight? Let's go! Suckers, they don't mess with me. I'm the toughest bunny on these streets. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. My nose! What nose? Jack Snip took it! Yeah, it's really coming down. Huh, look at that. Try to catch some snowflakes on my tongue. Oh, I guess I don't have a tongue either. What's wrong with me? I don't have a nose, I don't have a tongue. I'm so simplistic. I'm so minimal, so basic. Ooh. I like making footprints in the snow. Uh-oh. Starting to feel a little more like hail and not fluffy snow. Right, guys? What do you think? Whoop. Watch out for the snow piles. I just walked right into them. Snow's turning green. I've heard of yellow snow, but never green snow. Ooh. Very tempting. There's something about being out on a snowy day and going in and getting a nice warm bagel and coffee, hazelnut. What are you guys doing inside? It's so nice out. It's a beautiful winter day. If you're a snow bunny like me,